He rongonui te pakiwaitara o Ārai Te Uru ki te iwi Ngāi Tahu.
Ārai Te Uru, the waka atua, is a tradition that belongs here because this is where the waka founded.
E ki ana te pūrākau o tēnei waka atua a Ārai Te Uru, I tahuri te waka nei ki Matakaia. I tēnei wiki, ka tukuna e nāia he pakiwaituhi mo tēnei waka, e toha ana I tēnei kōrero.
Following the capsize, everything, the contents and the crew were thrown into the water. The result was that those contents, such as hinaki, kai hinaki, they ended up on the beach.
We were asked by the runanga if we would be interested in helping them tell some of the stories, and in particular, the Ārai Te Uru waka stories. So we were jumped at the chance.
But eventually, Ārai Te Uru, the great waka, capsized at Matakaia.
It's a canoe of the gods. So it's really important that we share that story so that people don't, as part of their pepeha, believe that they are connected to those ancestors, if you like, of that waka. They're all atua.
No te mutunga wiki kua pahure I kohi mai I ngā whānau ki te whare o Uenuku mō te whakaaturanga tuatahi. Hei tā David Higgins, he mema o te rōpu whakamārama mō te whakaahua nei, koi nei te kōrero o rokohanga o ngā tiritiri o te moana.
Auraki, kirikiri katata, horo koau, all those names inland here, and you'll see it on the animation, are linked to that waka, and they were crew members on that waka. And of course the crew ended up on the beach. As they travelled inland, they were overtaken by the daylight. And the result was that they were turned to stone. And we have our tupuna from one end of the island to the other.
E ai ki te kaitaki kōrero matua no nāia Rocky Roberts, kaore tēnei he pakiwaituhi anake.
The idea for sharing our pūrākau is to, whakanui o mātou nei kōrero. Our kōrero of our tupuna. Also, with the help of the Ministry of Education, these are educational rauiwi, so resources that kaiako can use in the classroom, whānau can use them at home.
Stick hands up.
I spend a lot of time, Justin spends a lot of time at our kura, and it was really important for our tamariki and mokopuna, both Māori and Pākehā, to actually understand and know that story.
Ka whakaputahia e te whakaahua nei a te tekau mātahi o Hurae. Hora Kairangi Nicholas. Tahu News.
Ko te reo.